This one is supposedly for me.
Yeah, Mom said you want to get her bubbles?
Bubble blower.
Now, Izzy, are you ready?
Luckily, it's the stuff that's easy to tear.
Oh, I'm sorry.
No, you're fine.
Look, Izzy. Rip it open. Yes. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. What's in this? I see Elmo and Abby. We should have got Elmo and Abby favorite. Now she's too distracted by the Elmo and Abby. They're everywhere. Izzy.
Look.
Yeah. His hat.
Yeah, look.
Is she getting the pieces with tape on it?
This is ripping one pieces off, yeah. Look, Izzy. Izzy. There you go. Oh, yeah.
Look. Before me and Mom scratch that actually.
There's something inside.
But yeah, go ahead and rally Dad. And wait, did you get your Google going? Okay, what's your email?
Oh. Hey, this is kind of fun.
What's that, Izzy?
So we keep up there.
She's like, wait, there's something inside of this. She just realized there's something inside, so she's like,
She just
wow.
whacked herself in the face. Bubbles! Bubbles! There's some bubbles.
There ain't no bubbles.
You get it?
Good job! Yay! Take the paper, you can play that later.
Now Daddy has to open it.
Now I have to open it for you, okay?
Let me see it first.
Bubbles, the fun bubble blower.
Yay.
There's Grandpa.
Hey.
There's Grandpa.
Hi.
She's looking at him.
Hey.
Hi there.
Uh-oh, I think we might have needed batteries, and it did come with bubbles. I need a screwdriver. Screwdriver.
In that box.